Hi guys, I hope you're well. I thought I'd quickly show you how to add your Facebook onto your business card. There are two ways. Obviously the first way is to add an icon and then just type in the username or handle or whatever you want to call it. The other way you could do it, which is kind of what I think people want to see when they Google a specific thing, is basically go to your page, copy the URL, and then you're going to make a QR code. So you create a new QR code. You can use Bitly, and then let's say print to Facebook. Okay. And then you design your code. So, there are a lot of options here. There's a free version and then a paid version. Not really necessary for you to pay. If with the paid version, you can add your logo specifically and stuff like that. But yeah, so you create your code. View the existing one. Sorry, guys. Basically, once you've created it, you'll come to basically this as well, and you can download any version. So okay, once you've opened your downloaded version, so you could do an SVG or PNG. I just like SVG because it's vector and you can change the color of it. Anyway, open it in Illustrator or your program, and then you can go and paste it at scale and adjust and all of these things. Obviously mine isn't beautiful, okay? So I'm just deleting the white because it's ugly. And then what you could do is do something like this. Maybe make it a bit smaller. Just be sure to check it at 100% to see if it works. A lot of people design it, or designers design it, and it's very cute, but when it comes to actually working, it doesn't do anything, which doesn't help your client, guys. Pro tip. Anywho, so I would say follow us on Facebook, or Instagram or whatever. Well, maybe you should just do follow us and then a Facebook icon. Anyway, that's kind of the idea behind it. Just be sure to use legal icons. That sounds very weird, but yeah. A lot of people don't use paid stuff, and then legally you could get in a spot of trouble. Let's say that. So don't do that. Okay, maybe something like that. Thanks, guys.